Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Facebook account to your Instagram account. So let's start. First, open the Facebook app. You have to log into your Facebook account which you want to connect with your Instagram account. I'll connect my Instagram account to this Facebook account. Now, open your Instagram app. Go to your profile from bottom right corner. Now tap on the three bars on top right corner and go to Settings. Now tap on Account. Here you will see Linked Accounts. Tap on that. Now to connect your Facebook account, tap on Facebook. Now tap Continue. Now to turn on Facebook sharing, tap on Start Sharing to Facebook. And when you post on Instagram, that post will automatically be posted on Facebook. Here you have many options. You can share your story to Facebook as well as your post. And to unlink your Facebook account, tap Unlink. And that's how you connect your Facebook account to your Instagram account. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.